Hey guys, my name is Damon Williams here at North Beach Tortilla Company. Today I'm going to be making our Poma-Pineapple. We're going to start with our in-house coriander citrus salt on the rim. So what we're going to do is start with our cocktail base down here in the shaker. Got a little bit of Coralejo Reposado here. Just do a 3 count of that. Got some fresh pineapple juice. Equal amounts, another 3 count. Got a little bit of orange bitters here, a couple of dashes of that. Then we've got some fresh basil that we use inside the cocktail. Gonna give that a shake. Let that sit for a second, and here we've got some foam that we make in-house. It's a pomegranate lime foam. We start with 6 ounces of pomegranate, 3 ounces of lime juice, and 2 ounces of egg whites. So we'll pour that in the glass first. That way as we strain it into there, you kind of get this infusion happening. The foam should rise to the top. And that is our Poma-Pineapple with a little garnish of basil.